We begin this hour with the ongoing battle between Democrats and Republicans in our state legislature and their opposing points of view on how best to tackle the fentanyl crisis in California. According to state data, more than 100 Californians die from fentanyl poisoning every single week in the state. That statistic front and center for lawmakers today as the Assembly held its first ever select committee on fentanyl meeting. 17's Capitol Correspondent Eytan Wallace shares what came out of today's meeting and has reaction from both sides of the aisle.
Well, the hearing lasted more than 4 hours. It was strictly informational, meaning members did not vote on bills, but rather took the time to hear from expert witnesses on how to best address the opioid epidemic. It's been labeled a crisis as fentanyl and other opioids plague the state with deadly results.
Good morning, everyone.
Today, state lawmakers held the Assembly's first ever select committee on fentanyl, opioid addiction, and overdose prevention. The long-term goal?
That we take every possible action we can to save lives.
In total, 14 experts spoke before the committee, including one mother who knows the crisis all too well.
Zach, my baby, on my pen here, he was 17.
Laura Didier speaking about her late son, Zach, who died of fentanyl poisoning just after Christmas 2020.
And that pill killed him very quickly in his bedroom overnight. Fentanyl has irreversibly changed the drug landscape into this nightmare that we are witnessing today. I'm not the only mom who has found their child dead in their bedroom.
She says education is key, something with which Superintendent of Public Instruction Tony Thurmond agrees. He told the committee that while the Newsom administration is investing in Narcan for K-12 public school campuses because that medication can reverse an overdose, he adds school districts need help to teach kids about the danger of opioids.
We need more staff who have special skill, who can support schools thinking through the issues of prevention and education. Let's be real. Our schools don't have expertise. Our schools don't even have nurses. So we can't expect them to have expertise in how to talk about any substance abuse prevention.
The committee also included officials from the Department of Justice who said the state confiscated 7 million fentanyl pills last year and made hundreds of arrests. And on that note, witnesses weighed in on whether they support increased penalties and prison time.
I can tell you, in my 25 years as a public defender, my 25-year career, we know that incarceration is not the solution.
Republicans on the committee feeling frustrated, arguing most of the panelists reflected just one viewpoint.
I frankly was very disappointed in the agenda that we saw. It became apparent that the agenda was stacked with people who were going to tell us that putting a dealer in jail who's killing our kids isn't a very good solution. And I don't understand how some of these members who were defending the drug dealers can sleep at night. I really don't.
The committee chair disagrees.
We were able to get a lot of people at the table, Republicans, Democrats, educators, public health folks, public safety people, and let's build on this, but let's build on it for action.
And committee chair, Assemblymember Matt Haney, says he intends to hold future hearings in communities across California. Reporting in Sacramento, Eytan Wallace, 17 News.